Hello, let's explore the language server protocol for Gnopls, inspired of GoPLS for Gnopls. It brings IDE capabilities to the GNO development environment. A language server protocol first is an open standard created by Microsoft. It enables rich code editing features in any editors. So basically, it decouples the language intelligence from the editor implementation. So every feature will be supported by every editor as VSCode, NVim, or any others as long as you do the implementations. It enables you to do code completions, error checking, go-to definition, refactorings, documentation on over, and many more. So to install Gnopls, you need to go to the extension, type Gno, and get the most installed one in that case. For NeoVim, you need to go for the gno.neovim. You need, depending of your package manager of Vim, so Vim plug or lazy NeoVim, to add these different lines. To install GNOPLS, you need to go on Gnoverse GNOPLS repositories and type the installation commands. You type it in the terminal, and it's good and should appear as it should. Thank you for listening and see you next time.